Welcome to my channel, and today, prepare yourself to step into a world where the open road meets the height of elite luxury. We're about to explore the one-of-a-kind Bugatti Sokada 2026 Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece worth a jaw-dropping $9 million. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving palace designed for those who don't just travel, but redefine what travel means. The Sokada is where Bugatti's hypercar DNA merges with the future of road luxury, combining sleek aerodynamics, cutting-edge technology, and an interior that rivals the most exclusive hotels in the world. From the moment you lay eyes on its sculpted exterior with signature Bugatti curves, advanced lighting elements, and panoramic glass panels, you'll know this is no ordinary vehicle. It's an experience on wheels. Let's start with the heart of any true home on wheels, the kitchen. Imagine a space where every meal feels like a fine dining experience. The Bugatti Sokada's kitchen is an architectural masterpiece, featuring a full-length quartz countertop that gleams under ambient LED lighting. State-of-the-art induction cooktops merge seamlessly into the counter, while a dual smart oven system ensures your meals are perfectly cooked whether you're in the mountains or by the ocean. There's an integrated wine cooler with precision temperature control, a smart refrigerator that organizes and monitors your supplies, and automated drawers that open with a gentle touch. Every cabinet is wrapped in Italian carbon fiber textured veneer, lined with soft close technology for silence and sophistication. Even the sink features motion sensor faucets with temperature presets, making food prep effortless. Above, a panoramic skylight floods the kitchen with natural light, while a smart exhaust system keeps the air pure. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a 5-course dinner, the Sokada kitchen transforms cooking into an art form, ensuring that every culinary moment feels like it belongs to a Michelin-starred chef. Now, moving into the bedroom, you'll find a sanctuary that redefines rest on the road. The Sokada's bedroom is wrapped in premium soundproofing panels, ensuring absolute tranquility no matter where you park. The centerpiece is a king-sized adaptive mattress crafted from a memory gel hybrid, automatically adjusting its firmness based on your body's position. Surrounding you are handcrafted walnut and brushed aluminum accents with hidden compartments for your personal essentials. Soft, indirect lighting creates an ambiance tailored to your mood. From reading mode to deep relaxation, a motorized privacy glass wall separates the bedroom from the rest of the motorhome with a simple touch, while climate zoning ensures your ideal temperature all night long. A 65-inch 8K entertainment screen descends quietly from the ceiling, complemented by a surround sound system that turns your bedroom into a private cinema. The windows feature electrochromic tinting for full privacy, or breathtaking views at sunrise. Every inch of this space is designed not just for sleeping, but for unwinding in absolute elegance, making the Sokada bedroom a true moving suite. Steps inside the bathroom, and you're greeted with the ambiance of a world-class spa. Walls are finished in natural onyx stone with seamless LED backlighting, and the floor is equipped with radiant heating for ultimate comfort. The rain shower features a multi-zone massage system, while the smart mirror doubles as a touchscreen control hub for the entire motorhome. There's a deep soaking tub with integrated aromatherapy, and water is filtered through a premium mineral purification system, giving every drop a refreshing, revitalizing feel. The vanity includes a self-cleaning glass basin and heated towel, drawers that always keep your linens perfectly warm. Smart ventilation ensures zero fogging, and the entire bathroom is fragrance programmed, meaning it can disperse your favorite scent every morning. Even the toilet is fully automated with a heated bidet and soft closing system. This isn't a bathroom you use. It's a bathroom you experience, one that rivals luxury hotel spas around the globe. Finally, the 2026 Bugatti Sokada motorhome as a whole is a true game-changer. With its aerodynamic silhouette inspired by Bugatti's hypercars, an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain that delivers both power and eco-efficiency, and a smart AI system that learns your travel habits, this motorhome transforms long journeys into unforgettable adventures. From the moment you step inside, you're immersed in craftsmanship, innovation, and exclusivity. At $9 million, it's not just a vehicle. It's a statement of success, taste, and the future of road luxury. So, what do you think? Is the Bugatti Sokada 2026 motorhome the ultimate rolling palace? Or has luxury on wheels just reached a whole new level? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tours like this.